Law school and the law practice are two contrasting worlds. Law school teaches you how to think, a mindset, a framework as to how you should approach a problem. Very systematic, sequential way of looking at the problem. It sounds great on paper. It looks like a perfect framework that you can look through and follow, and then you'll reach that solution. But that doesn't translate into the real world. In the real world, you're dealing with people that have emotions, they have biases. You're dealing with problems that might be impacting and transforming people's lives. So there's a lot of weight that is brought to that problem that is much more complex than a perfect sequential framework that you go through from identifying what the issue is to reaching that solution. There's no cookie cutter approach to the legal practice. Every problem is different. Facts are very unique, and people have different vested interests that also adds another layer of complexity to the problem. So in a nutshell, while the framework and the mindset that I think we learn in law school does bring value to how we approach a legal field and how we look at issues, but ultimately most of the learning and most of the value that attorneys gain in order to become very good advisors, counselors, attorneys, litigators is in the practice when you're in the trenches, when you're in the real world, and you learn how to deal with people, you learn how to deal with adversarial parties. That's when that real learning takes place that allows you to be able to equip yourself with the skills and the abilities to become a very good attorney.